So now the downstairs and the cottage is all pretty much done. Obviously the kitchen's all sorted, bathroom, salon and the stairs are all done. The last parts to do are upstairs, obviously getting the master bedroom done, and the job that Mum said that she wasn't going to do, she's obviously started doing. Obviously you might be here now, obviously banging away getting it sorted, but we'll go up, have a little look now and see what it's looking like. So we'll go upstairs. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. He's alright?
Yeah, you.
Yes. So the job that wasn't going to get done.
I said I wouldn't do it, and I've gone and done it. I couldn't resist.
You tried making a mess of it.
Well, it only started with the corner bit. I thought, alright, I'll take the corner bit off and just see what condition it's in when I do it. And then I carried on. So
And then
it does look amazing. I'm glad I've done it, doesn't it?
Yeah, it looks phenomenal. You come up here, it's a proper feature.
Yeah, because you said, it was just a wall.
It's just bland.
It
It's
was
just bland, and now it gives it like proper. There's so much character up here.
Yeah.
That stood out like a sore thumb, but now it looks
did.
like it was.
Yeah, and it does look bigger, but I'm not looking forward to pointing it.
It looks in a lot better condition than what your other ones did.
Yeah. The other walls, I mean, there was bricks missing, but I think because this was covered up, literally as soon as it was done, it's in perfect condition. Just about, I won't have to replace any stones because I'm going to leave all these because I like this.
The big gaps.
Yes, I will fill it, but not all the way.
All the way,
because I do like the shape of them all, you know what I mean?
I think it'd only need like a light filler, not all the way to the edge, just so
all
it
the way at
looks.
the end, yeah. So you can still see all the features. I love this one, the size of that one there. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm glad. I know I said I wasn't going to do it, and I have, but I'm glad. And it's going to snow next week, so it'll give me something to do.
Job. Yeah.
But yeah, it'll be good. It's just going to be a long process. It's going to take me probably about another 3 days to get all this off.
Yeah.
This itself is a slow process because it's in so deep. I'm having to sort of chisel the top off and then chisel all of this out. The other ones we did use the drill, but it does get quite noisy and irritating. So
Not satisfied, though, is it?
No. It's quite nice.
What are you doing to get it off like?
Well, I've just got the chisel and the hammer there, so it's just literally I'm taking the top coat off and then going into all the stones, to get all. And then what I will do is I'll hoover it all, get all the dust out. Then I get a wire brush and I'll have to brush in every single one. It's a long process. Brushing it all, then hoover it all again, then clean it again, then I'll start pointing it.
And then clean it down again.
Then clean it again, and then that takes about 3 or 4 goes when you're pointing it, because you have to put it in and brush it, and so it is going to be probably about a month's work, I'd say.
Yeah.
But it'll be worth it.
You've started it.
Yeah. I mean, it's funny, I just said to Ash, this stuff they've used, there's bits of grass and everything
it's the same
in
as
it.
the stuff that you found under the floor in the bathroom.
Yeah.
When you were pulling the,
So-
like what they'd used in between the...
Well, that's fine for in between floors, but not
No,
for a
I
chimney.
think they put it in the mixture.
It's actually, you can see the bits of it that's in the mixture.
Wherever it was. But it is, I think it's been here since the wall was put up, the chimney was put up.
Yeah, not bad.
Which is good, because it has protected it all.
Protect it all.
You know, so this is my last wall to do.
Yeah.
I'll get this done
Did
today.
you find another one?
Well, it's your
Oh,
last
suppose
sort
so.
of space to do as well, isn't it?
It is,
Because
yeah.
you've only got all up here to do.
Tape and joint.
Taping and jointing.
And then painting, and then it'll be finished in about 5 years.
Bless you.
Weeks.
Yes.
Well, for now, I think we should see some of the work that you've done to get all of this off and get to this stage.
Yeah, which took me probably I've been at it about a week, on and off. Like, it hasn't been constant, because obviously there's other jobs to do.
Yeah.
So, been about a week, but yeah. The only thing is as well, it's lugging the stones up and down, like empty them, and
Yeah.
so, but it'll be worth it.
It will. It will.
Definitely.
I think we'll put on a bit of time lapse now and see all your hard work to get to this stage.
Yeah. Right, finally, I'm doing the job what I said I wasn't going to do. What I point blank said I wasn't going to do. I've took all this brick off all the plaster off this. It's the chimney breast upstairs, and I'm going to point it all. Which is one job I said, nope, I'm not doing, because it's going to take too long. I mean, it didn't take too long to get all the plaster off, so that's good. So I'm just going to make the mix up now to put it on. I've learnt quite a lot from when I done the bathroom and downstairs to make it a bit dry. I think I made it too sloppy and made it quite messy when I done the bathroom, and it took me twice as long to do because it was quite messy. It's all a learning process, all of this is. and I quite enjoyed it, really learning how to do it. So now I'm only making sort of small amount to do, probably like about this much, because it does go dry very, very quickly, and it needs brushing off like quickly as well. So I generally I'll just put my mask on because it is quite bad, so you might be able to hear me. I normally do like about 3 of these little jugs, and that tends to work for me, the amount that I can work with in time to get it brushed off and dried. Then really it's just a tiny bit of water. It's surprising how little water you put in to mix it. Like I say, I was mixing it quite sloppy downstairs, but it needs to be really, really dry to get it on. So it is just a process of finding the right consistency of it, to be honest. I mean, it doesn't matter if obviously you put too much in, you just add a bit more of that. But it's just getting it right. I wasn't getting it right downstairs. And it took me twice as long. Just to clean everything up afterwards. I mean, it's something I've never ever done before, ever. So doing it in the bathroom was a good experience for me to do it. And I'm quite enjoying it now, especially at this time of the year when it's cold. So that's nearly done. Still a little bit sloppy, so I'll put like a handful in. It just needs to be so it doesn't fall off your trowel, because I found it was just slopping more on the floor than it was on the wall. So that's sort of roughly what I'm looking for. Is that, whereas before it was just splash all over. So yeah, that's quite good. So all I do now is start putting it in the. With this one, I want it in quite deep because I want to see all the details of the stone, because I love the stone so much. So I've took quite a lot out because I want to see all the shapes basically. I don't want it all covered and just showing a little bit of stone. I want to see every single shape of the stone, just because it's so lovely. So I'll get on with that now. So that's it, the wall's finally finished. I didn't think I'd get it done, to be honest, because initially I wasn't going to do it, and then just started bit by bit, and it hasn't been really as bad as what I thought it was going to be. It has been quite good, and I've learned a lot more this time than when I started the bathroom. I'd never ever done it before, so there was quite a few bad points in the bathroom. This has gone on really well and really quick, and I think it does look good. I think once everything's done up here and we get the floor down, it's going to look tremendous. But no, I'm really pleased with the outcome. Really pleased. So I've got a couple of more bits to finish off around there, and a couple of bits where I've missed, because you can see pointing up. Just a few, but I can quite easily fill them in and brush them off. It's not a problem at all. But other than that, I think it's absolutely beautiful. I'm really pleased, really pleased with it. But no, I'm not going to put myself out to anyone to do it. No more. This is the last wall. Definitely no more after this. But I'll go and find something else to do now, I think. Okay, but don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. It's really good for us and it helps massively. But for now, I'll go and find another job.
If you'd like to be part of our journey and help restore the chateau, then please join us on Patreon, where you'll be part of our journey, receive a piece of the history and get exclusive videos.